Welcome to everyone. We discuss the lecture number 5 and 6, beneficial and harmful effect of weed. Today we see only the harmful effect of weed because we see already the beneficial effect or economic importance of weed in lecture number 1st. We see the first upon in the chapter content. So first point is the what is a weed, then competition for mineral nutrients, then competition for water, then competition for solar energy, then competition for space, then reduce the crop quality and quantity, then impair the quality of the animal produce, that is harmful to the animal health, then it is a harbor insect pest and diseases, then damage human health. Weed compete for a solar energy, weed contaminate to the water bodies, then quicker wear and tear to the farm implements, then reduce the value of land, less efficient use of land, then increase in the cost of cultivation and disturbance in public places. It is all are the harmful effect of weed. So first we discuss the what is a weed. So weed is the any plant which is not sown by the farmer. It is out of place. Okay. Then types of weed, you know all about the types of weed. So annual weed, biennial weed, perennial weed. Annual weeds means they complete their life cycle in 1 year. Then biennial weeds, they complete their life cycle in 2 years. First year they remain in a vegetative growth. Then in the second year they produce flowers, fruits, seeds. Then perennial weeds are grow for more than 2 years. Then weeds are a type are crop like a wheat weed, rice weed, sugarcane weed. Okay, let us take one by one points. First upon competition for mineral nutrients. Weeds are vigorous in a growth habit than a crop. Weed consume a large amount of nutrients, thus causing heavy losses in yield. The major nutrients NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potash are play important role in crop productions. Hence, weed crop competition for N and K should be the more intense than P. Near about totally 33% लॉसेस कॉज्ड बाय वीड, म्हणजे क्रॉपमध्ये जवळपास 33% नुकसान फक्त वीडमुळे होतं. ठीक आहे, यील्ड 33% लॉस होतं. कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर वॉटर, for producing an equal amount of dry matter, weeds in a general transpire more water than most of the crops. It has been reported that wild must transpire about 4 times more water than oat crops. So it is a transpiration ratio is more for than crop. So transpiration coefficient of sand on dactyl is 813 and pearl millet is 450 and sorghum is 430. So in a weedy field, soil moisture is exhausted by the weed at the time crop reaches the flowering stage, which is often the peak consumption use period of a crop. This result is a poor grain oil and seed production of crop. Then competition for space. Weed compete for space both as a rhizosphere and atmosphere. In the presence of weeds in crops also have a limited space to develop their shoots and reduce the photosynthesis, and they produce a higher seed production of than crops. Then their different growth habitats of weed, then reduce the crop quality. Weed may reduce the quality of crop produce in many ways, like a weed seed, like a wild mustard, sweet clover, a Mexican poppy, and bulblets of wild garlic and wild onion when threshed and ground with the winter grains can result in a serious consequence besides imparting a objectional odor to the floor. When a crop is harvested from a weedy field, the seeds of weed get mixed with the main crop and consequently the quality of produce is lower. Similarly, bundles of many leafy vegetables like a methi or a palak contain the green plants of weeds. So, such produce a less price in market. Then, it is harmful to the animal health. Several weeds of grasslands and forage crops contain high alkaloids, tannins, oxalates, glucosidates, and other substances that prove the poisonous to the animal when ingested. Example like a silky lupins is responsible for crooked calf diseases. Then some weeds are noxious and produce a poisonous chemical which are injurious to the animal health. When some hungry animals feed on a gajar gavat, their meat and milk are odd flavor. Another example like a Piuli tilvan is a weed eaten by the milk cattle impact an undesirable flavor of milk and gukru is also weed and gukru get attached to the body of sheep and impair the quality of wool. Then next effect is a harbor to the insect pest and diseases. Weeds either give a shelter to various insect pests and diseases or serve as an alternate host. For example, a weed around a paddy bonds harbor the gallfly. Weed act as a host, cause of many diseases. Weed serve as an alternate host. Example like a Phalaris minor. It is a example like a crop like a rice and their pest is a stem borer and their alternate host is a weed like Echinoclova species. Then a crop like a maize and their disease is a downy mildew and their host is a Saccharum spontaneum. So it is the example of the host plant. Then damage to the human health. Health, comfort and work efficiency of man are also affected by the weeds directly or indirectly. In a UP, are play year after year with the hay fever and asthma aggravated by the pollens of ragweeds. Lantana flowers leaves are dangerous for humans. Certain weed causes the irritation of a skin allergy, poisoning in a human beings' health. Comfort and work efficiency of man are adversely affected by weed. Some weed are responsible for a different kind of dermal allergies on human. Besides being injurious to the health of cattle, certain weeds cause the irritation to skin, allergy, poisoning in human beings. The weed like a Parthenium hysterophorus. Okay, these are this caused by the irritation. Okay. Then contaminate water bodies. Aquatic weeds change the flavor, appearance and taste of drinking water. Due to the weed reduce the production of edible fish. Then quicker wear and tear to farm implements. Being hardy and deep rooted, the tillage implements can worn early. The perennial weeds have a deep root system. Due to the hardy and deep root system, the implements have a cause a quicker wear and tear. Then reduce the value of land. Land which are having infested with the perennial weeds like a Kunz, Saccharum spontaneum. These weeds are in a field, they are always in a less price. Then less efficient use of land. In case of a perennial weed, the carrying capacity of grazing land is reduced and cause the depreciation of land value. Then increase in the cost of cultivation. In a field of crop infested with weed, the tillage operation require a higher cost. Tillage operation carried out to control the weed, and it is generally estimated that on an average about a 30% of the total expenditure for a crop production is on a tillage operation. Hand weeding, herbicide application, mechanical weeding also increases the cost of cultivation. Then disturbance in a public places. It is desirable that public places be kept clean of weed. Presence of weed around our living and working places makes the surrounding dull. Weeds growing along with the lawn or other ornamental plants generally give ugly look and reduce the value of ornamental plants. Thank you.